In today's video, I'm going to teach you how does Remitly Cash Pickup work. We'll walk through exactly what you'll see on the site, from starting a transfer to reviewing all the details so your recipient can pick up cash quickly and confidently. Begin by going to Remitly's homepage and clicking Send Money. This takes you straight into the transfer setup. You'll first be asked, where are you sending? Choose your recipient's country so Remitly can show the right currency, partners, and delivery options available there. If a previous transfer appears or you want a clean slate, click Start Over. That ensures you're building a new transfer with the latest rates and settings. If you're sending to someone for the first time, select Send to New Recipient so you can enter their details fresh and avoid any mismatches. Next, enter the amount under You Send. As you type, you'll see they receive update automatically. This section reflects the current exchange rate and any fees, so take a moment to compare different amounts if you want to optimize what arrives on the other side. Small changes can affect fees or qualify you for different transfer tiers, and it's always better to check now than later. Now choose how the money will be delivered. Click Select One and then pick Cash Pickup. This is the option that allows your recipient to collect physical currency at a partner location. After choosing Cash Pickup, you'll see specific pickup options available in the selected country. Select the Cash Pickup option that's most convenient, considering the network's coverage and typical wait times. If multiple brands are listed, it can help to choose one with locations near your recipient's neighborhood and with business hours that match their schedule. As a best practice, make sure your recipient knows they'll need a valid government ID and that the name you enter must match their ID exactly. With delivery set, move to your payment method. Click Select One and choose bank account if that's how you plan to fund the transfer. Then click Continue. Remitly will guide you through any necessary steps for that method. You'll now enter recipient information. Type the first name and last name exactly as shown on their ID used at pickup. Accuracy here prevents delays at the counter. Click Continue, then provide the recipient's city so Remitly can tailor location and compliance checks. Click Continue again. You'll see a field for the recipient's mobile number, which is optional. Adding it can help with pickup notifications or reminders, but you can proceed without it. Click Continue when you're ready. For funding, you may be prompted to add a card. Click Add New Card, then continue to open the secure entry form. Enter your card number, the expiration date, and the security code. Type your name as it appears on the card so the system can verify ownership. Then provide your billing address exactly as it appears on your card statement. Matching these details reduces the chance of authorization issues. Take your time here. Correcting a number later can mean redoing a verification step. When everything is filled out, click Review Details. This is your final checkpoint before moving forward. Carefully look over the sending amount, the amount your recipient will receive, the exchange rate, and any fees. Confirm the delivery method is cash pickup and that the specific pickup network or brand you selected is correct and convenient for your recipient. Double check the recipient's name character by character against their ID, verify the city, and confirm that any optional contact information looks right. Lastly, make sure your payment method and billing details are accurate and up to date. That's the full walkthrough. By visiting the homepage, starting fresh if needed, setting your destination, entering the amount, selecting cash pickup, choosing a pickup partner, adding recipient details, and completing your payment information, you've prepared a cash pickup transfer the right way. Taking a moment to review at the end saves time at the counter and helps your recipient collect funds without hassle. Thanks for watching, and follow along with these exact on-screen labels the next time you use Remitly for a smooth cash pickup experience.